Hey, it's Cyrus. Welcome to this short session to become super relaxed and focused super quickly. Once you know how to do this, you'll be able to get the hang of it and do it for the rest of your life. So take a deep breath, close your eyes when you feel ready, and just notice whatever you feel, whatever you notice, whatever you're thinking. And for a moment, just allow it to be as it is. Don't try to change anything about your experience for one conscious moment of intentionally allowing it to be. And now start to allow your breath to slow down without trying to make it slow down. See how effortlessly you can allow your breath to come to you. Imagine like your breath is unwinding and slowing down, gradually decelerating on its own, and you're just effortlessly facilitating and guiding that process as you allow it to slow a little bit more with each breath without trying too hard. And now as it starts to find a really slow, effortless cadence, place all of your attention on the tip of your nostrils and just focus on the inhalation as it goes in and on the exhalation as it goes out. And make it your goal to place all your attention on the inflow as it happens and all of your attention on the outflow as it happens, starting to sync up your rhythm of focus with that in and out flow. Allow the world and all thoughts to fade into the background and give yourself permission to make the only thing that matters in this moment your attention on the inflow as it's happening and your attention on the outflow as it's happening in a very intentional way. And now start to imagine the breath dropping down into the body, and imagine like the breath has a powerful, subtle wave of energy that it's carrying down into the crevices of your body. And imagine with each breath, it's dispersing this super relaxing energy into all your muscles and all areas of your body, one breath at a time. And as the breath effortlessly flows down into the body, imagine and feel and allow all the muscles to start to unwind and unravel and gradually relax all on their own, staying awake and alert as this unfolding process begins with each breath. Allow yourself to ease into this deeper and deeper relaxation to become uncommonly, unfathomably relaxed as each breath washes down and flows through every cell, every vibration of the body. And for a few final moments, start to track the breath again. Stay with the inflow as it flows down into the whole body, and stay with the outflow as it flows out through the nostrils. Just staying in that rhythm of intentionally slow, relaxed awareness as you ride that wave of breath, moment to moment. If it's helpful, visualize yourself moving through the rest of your day with this relaxed, focused presence and feeling in your body, just seeing yourself moving through your day with that energy. And as you open your eyes slowly, I invite you to intentionally bring back this relaxed presence one moment at a time for the rest of your day. And be sure to practice this and other longer meditations to deepen this state that you've cultivated so that you can exist in this space more consistently throughout your life if it's a feeling and space that you enjoy. And I invite you to share this with anyone you think it might benefit. And I hope you have an incredible day.